Hello, stock watchers, and welcome to your daily stock report brought to you by QualityStocks.net, where performance is tracked daily. I'm your host, Cathy Rankin, and for Friday, May 30th, yay, we're bringing you the latest news from around the markets. It's almost the weekend. Today's headline news are brought to you by Gemini Explorations. Gemini Explorations is dedicated to acquiring, developing, and exploiting natural resource properties with a primary focus on the rich and highly underdeveloped gold deposits located in Colombia. Now let's get into our headline news from Thursday. The World Bank is stepping up efforts to help overcome the global food crisis by providing an extra $1.2 billion in grants and loans. To deal with immediate and long-term food problems, the bank said yesterday that it will increase its overall support for agriculture and food aid to $6 billion next year, up from $4 billion in 2008. In other news, stocks rose for the third straight session yesterday as oil prices fell sharply and the government reported that the economy grew last quarter at a faster pace than previously estimated. The markets then opened this morning with the Dow up 52.19 points or 0.41%, the Nasdaq up 21.62 points or 0.87%, and the S&P 500 also up 7.42 points or 0.53%. And now let's take a look at the market news that Quality Stocks is tracking for you. Our market headlines are brought to you today by Emerging Media Holdings Incorporated. Emerging Media operates through its two subsidiaries, Alianta S.R.L. and Analytic Media Group S.A. Now, the company is primarily focused on radio and television broadcasting, where it derives most of its revenues through advertisement sales. The QualityStocks.net daily newsletter would like to highlight MyEcheck Incorporated, which closed at $3.18. MyEcheck Incorporated is a leading provider of comprehensive alternative payment solutions to credit cards and has announced a number of key partnerships and agreements this month. The company announced an agreement with Everpay Merchant Services, which will give Everpay customers the ability to accept MyEcheck as a form of online payment. Geeks on Call Holdings Incorporated closed at $1.40 a share with over 1,000 shares traded. Geeks on Call Holdings has generated some noteworthy press these days after being named to Entrepreneur Magazine's 2008 Franchise 500 for the third year in a row. The company was also recognized by Entrepreneur as one of the 101 best in the top home-based franchise category for a third straight year, and with a name like that, of course they were. Pet Ecology Brands Incorporated is up a whopping 176% with over 17,000 shares traded. Pet Ecology Brands announced its intent to protect its patent from being infringed on by competitors that are selling its patented products to retailers, including Target and Walmart stores. The lawsuit is centered around Pet Ecology Brands patents, which protect innovations that enable the detection of the pH level of a cat's urine, among other specific technology advances. And that's it for our newsmakers today. Stay tuned right here to the Quality Stocks daily newsletter for the latest news and commentary on small cap to large cap and everything in between, brought to you by QualityStocks.net, where performance is tracked daily for you. And please be sure to see our disclaimer on the QualityStocks.net website. Thanks for tuning in. I'm your host, Cathy Rankin. Have a fantastic weekend, and we will see you again Monday right here on our daily report.